So today we are going to do a presentation about the branches of government in the United States of America. In America, we have 3 branches of government, and that is because we go by a system called checks and balances. So we have 3 branches that each has a different function. That way no one branch of government has too much power and can impose on its citizens or the other branches. So the first branch of government is the legislative branch. The legislative branch is also called Congress, and it is made up of the House of Representatives and the Senate. And the legislative branch is known for creating laws. So they can do things like write laws or vote on bills that they want to become laws. Another role that they serve is that they declare war, as well as any presidential appointments they have to vote on to confirm. So the next branch of government is the judicial branch, and the judicial branch is known for enforcing the laws. And a good example of this is the court system. So they have courts at the state level and then federal courts, and the highest court is the Supreme Court. So some duties of the judicial branch are to decide whether or not a person is guilty of breaking the law, and if they are, then imposing a sentence on them. So another part of the judicial branch are judges, and interpreting state laws, so they decide, again, whether something is breaking the law or not, or in violation of the Constitution or not. And they're also in charge of just protecting the rights of Americans. And the final branch of government is the executive branch. The executive branch is known for carrying out laws, and this branch includes the president, the vice president, and the presidential cabinet. And some duties of the executive branch are that the president is in charge of enforcing laws, so laws that are put into effect by Congress, he carries them out to the people of the United States. Additionally, the president commands the military, and he can also veto laws. So that is the 3 branches of government.